Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox the Infinix Smart 2. It's a cheap phone that costs only 5999 but loaded with features. The phone packs 16 gigs of internal storage and 2 gigs of RAM. It comes with a trendy full view display that boasts of an 18 by 9 aspect ratio, dual 4G LTE and an 8MP front facing camera. Let's see what we have in the box. As you can see, this is a city blue edition, and we have a USB cable. It's a ribbon like wire that looks good, and the power adapter, and obviously some papers, the warranty card and manual. We're not getting any kind of earphone with this. The phone also has a custom UI that's called XOS Hummingbird. It's based on Android 8.1. So now we're all set up. This is XOS Launcher. It has an app drawer which you can access by swiping up. There's one more amazing feature, which is face unlock. It's a wonderful feature for a 6K rupee phone. So it was my first unboxing video. If you like this, please consider subscribing to my channel.